What's up, gorgeous? In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the OctoWand from NuMe. Let's jump right into it. You get this beautiful carrying case. So you get this heat-resistant glove, which is amazing for any kind of wand action. Obviously getting the wand here, different barrel sizes. My favorite one, the pearl, that's going to create the most natural looking curls. Let's get right into it and use them all. Okay, everybody, this is the largest barrel that's going to be coming with your OctoWand. This is the 32 millimeter. I just take it and I like to wrap it around pretty close to the base. The irons are so high quality that you really don't have to leave them on for long. I can feel that it is already hot. Millimeter barrel gives that nice big romantic curl. This is the 25 millimeter size barrel. We're gonna see together exactly what this does. Now this is gonna add a little bit more bounce to your style. And now we're just gonna take it out and see the difference in the curl. Oh yeah, you can see this one is a little bit more stretched out. This one is a little bit more voluminous. This is the 19 millimeter attachment for there. I'm just gonna wrap it around just like I was doing with the other sections. As you go down and you go to the smaller size attachments, you're just going to get more bounce. This is a perfect addition to your kit because it's giving you 8 different attachments. It's giving you basically 8 different tools for the price of one. You can feel that it's getting ready to be done. Yeah, it is hot enough, so I'm just gonna release it. Now this is the 19 millimeter one. So you have the 19, you have the 25 millimeter, and then you have the 32. You see all the different sizes? Now we are on to the 13 millimeter wand attachment. This is super tiny. Now I can tell that this is already ready to come out. So let's see, oh my gosh, let's see how this looks. Oh, wow. Like you see that bounce in there. How cool is this to see the 32 millimeter, the 25 millimeter, the 19 millimeter, and the 13 millimeter. You see all the different patterns, how tight and how loose they go. Okay, now we're going to try the pearl attachment. This is gonna give you it's not gonna be a concise, consistent wand curl. This is gonna be more of a natural curl. Look how cool that is. Oh, cool. I mean, this is so natural. After you brush this out, it's like multiple curls in one. Like that. And this is the reverse barrel. And it is ready to be taken out. So, oh yeah, you see it's tighter, kinkier at the top and looser at the bottom. Really cool. On to the next attachment. This is just the opposite of the one that I was just using. So it's going to be actually larger at the base and then it goes down to a tighter curl. So the other one would be looser curls at the bottom and this one's going to be actually tighter curls at the bottom, which is actually a really nice look. Now we are on to our last attachment. This is the largest one that's going to be from 25 millimeters down to 19 millimeters. Okay, so this is ready. So let's see what this one brings us. Nice, I love that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 different wands on this side. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different wand sizes on this side. And amazing. The link will be in my bio to purchase this. You can use the discount code Matthew Main, and please like and subscribe because it so helps out the channel. Finish up this last section here with the last attachment that I used, but I just wanted to say that I hope this video helped you guys out. I hope you have a good hair day every day.